Alright, just how to install this whole shaft. Now, as you can see, the new part, if you've seen my other video, I see how it has this, there was that thing there on it. I don't know where the fuck it went, but if you've seen the other video, whatever. So the new one doesn't have that. You could slide this thing in here, through there, no goddamn problem. You do have to, you're going to get a new, four-wheel drive disconnect. Take that out and just put it back in when you get this thing in here. And again, it's these 4 bolts, which are mostly accessible. I also took off the bolt here to move, the line so I could get to these bolts easier. Alright, so now I got that bolt back on for this line. I got this thing back in here. And now I'm just ready to put the axle in. And that's about it. Oh yeah, also keep in mind, there's actually a bracket that's going to bolt up. See where that hole is there. So I got to put that bracket back on. Alright, I got that bracket back on. Now all I got to do is put the axle on. I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand, but there is a trick, because you do have to kind of fight with that little ring on there. If you see that ring. So I'm going to show you the trick here to not fight with it. Basically, here's the trick. Spray the fuck out of it with the WD-40. And the axle will slide on a shit ton better. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I don't expect this to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. Oh, shit. Alright, I got to do this with 2 hands. Fuck this. Alright, so now axle is in. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. Just kind of, grab it from here, use your other hand. Yeah, it's fucked up. I do this with a camera phone, so. Alright, next step, put this fork back on. Don't tighten it just yet. So this way you could move it around a little bit to line it back up with the shit. You're gonna put it on first and then tighten it down when everything's together. So this way you could, twist it. Alright, pretty much all I gotta do is I got everything together. I did tighten this bolt back down where the strut fork goes through it. So yeah, alright. And all I gotta do is put the tie rod in. I got this in. Everything's just kind of loose right now. So basically all I gotta do is just tighten everything back up and I'm done.